Welcome to the Explainer. So today, we're tackling a really massive headache for growing businesses, bringing in new talent. Managing your existing team is one thing, but recruiting, that requires its own highly specialized toolkit. So we're breaking down the source material on OpenCATS. It's a free, open-source applicant tracking system built right from the ground up for small to medium enterprises and recruiting agencies. If you have ever felt totally overwhelmed by your hiring process, this explainer is absolutely going to give you a lot to think about.
All right, let's just jump right into our agenda. We'll start off by looking at the core recruitment tooling problem, introduce OpenCATS, and then peek under the hood at its features and workflow. After that, we'll do a head-to-head comparison with paid alternatives, outline the setup and migration process, and wrap it all up with our final verdict. Starting with Section 1, the recruitment tooling problem, or as it usually boils down to, chaos versus cost. Look, for a lot of growing businesses, recruiting just defaults to spreadsheet chaos. We all know the universal pain here, right? Managing job postings, candidate pipelines, scheduling endless interviews through chaotic email threads, it becomes totally unmanageable incredibly quickly. Candidates literally fall through the cracks, data entry takes forever, and the whole thing is just a mess. Now, the obvious alternative is a dedicated applicant tracking system, or ATS, like Greenhouse or Lever. But those platforms charge some seriously hefty monthly fees. We're talking thousands of dollars annually, and those fees scale aggressively the more you grow. And if you only do seasonal hiring, well, you're pretty much trapped paying for an expensive, bloated subscription all year round. Which brings us to the absolute core advantage of the tool we're digging into today. Zero. That's it. Zero licensing cost. OpenCATS operates with absolutely zero licensing fees, totally regardless of your hiring volume or how often you actually hire. It completely shatters that prohibitive cost barrier, freeing you from those ongoing subscription traps. Moving right along to Section 2, introducing OpenCATS, the free recruitment solution. So, what is it? OpenCATS is an open-source applicant tracking system released under the GPL license. What that actually means for you is that it's completely free to download, use, and modify, no licensing restrictions whatsoever. But what's truly surprising here is its pedigree. This isn't some fly-by-night software. It has actually been in active development since 2005. That makes it one of the longest-running open-source applicant tracking systems out there today. And it's backed by this incredibly dedicated community of agencies and SMEs who just want genuine, hardcore functionality without that massive corporate price tag. Okay, Section 3, core features and workflow. Let's look under the hood. Because, let's be real, it's one thing for software to be free, but it actually has to work. Visualizing your pipeline is absolutely critical, and OpenCATS tracks candidates seamlessly across these core stages. From the exact moment that initial application pings your system, you can see exactly where a candidate stands. You can coordinate interview availability right alongside your team's calendars, all the way through to extending that final offer. Basically, it stops great candidates from getting lost in the shuffle of a crazy recruiter's day. Let's rapid fire through the rest of this toolkit because it is remarkably comprehensive. You've got job order management to track all your open positions, plus a fully searchable candidate database. But the real game changers, the automation features. Resume parsing actually extracts key candidate info automatically from uploaded files. That alone drastically speeds up your data entry. Then there's email integration, which lets you send and track communications directly inside the platform. No more inbox jumping. And finally, reporting dashboards give you this instant real-time visibility into the overall health of your pipeline. All right, Section 4, OpenCATS versus paid alternatives. This is a classic David versus Goliath comparison. So how does a free open-source tool really stack up against the industry heavyweights? Honestly, the financial contrast is pretty staggering. Commercial ATS platforms can easily bleed you for thousands of dollars a year, complete with punishing per user or per client fees, and they usually lock you into tight annual contracts. OpenCATS, on the flip side, just relies on self-hosting on a standard PHP and MySQL server. Standard web hosting for that? It typically costs maybe $15 to $30 a month. That's it. Zero per client fees, zero contracts. The annual savings can easily run into the thousands of dollars. To make this super concrete, our source material highlighted a real-world scenario of a small recruiting agency managing multiple clients. Before OpenCATS, they were totally drowning in shared spreadsheets, just a nightmare. After adopting it, they transitioned to beautifully separated, highly trackable job orders. And because OpenCATS has zero per client licensing costs, this particular agency could scale their client base infinitely without their software expenses going up a single solitary cent.
Let's move on to Section 5, Setup and Migration. How do we actually go about implementing OpenCATS? Okay, before you go rushing to install it, let's practice some radical transparency here. The sources are very clear that there are limitations you need to know about. The interface? It's highly functional, sure, but it definitely feels a lot less modern and polished than those commercial heavyweights. The candidate-facing portal is also fairly basic. And because you are self-hosting this, your IT team or whoever your designated tech person is, they have to take on the ongoing maintenance responsibilities. Finally, a smaller community just naturally means fewer pre-built third-party integrations. So you aren't getting premium polish here. You're getting raw, incredibly effective utility.
But actually, let's flip one of those limitations totally on its head. The requirement to self-host, that's actually a massive advantage when it comes to data security. Think about all the personal information, the resumes, the contact details involved in recruitment. Self-hosting keeps all of that highly sensitive candidate data entirely within your own infrastructure. You get to control the role-based access, making sure recruiters only see what they actually need to see. That is a huge win for complying with strict data protection regulations. You own the data. Full stop. Just, make sure you actually remember to run regular backups.
When you are actually ready to migrate, here is the exact path the experts recommend. First off, the installation itself usually takes under an hour for anyone with basic web hosting experience. Once you're in, step 1. Configure your pipeline stages to perfectly match your real-world recruitment process, and do this before you add a single candidate. Step 2. Set up that email integration immediately so your communication history is perfectly logged from day 1. And step 3. Prioritize migrating your active, open job orders. Please do not waste your time trying to transfer years of irrelevant historical data from your old spreadsheets. Clean slate. Most SMEs complete this entire migration within just 2 to 4 weeks.
Which brings us to Section 6, the final verdict. Is OpenCATS actually right for you? Based on the source material, here is the final breakdown. OpenCATS is the absolute best fit for businesses with periodic or seasonal hiring needs who just want to avoid paying for year-round subscriptions. It is totally perfect for multi-client recruiting agencies looking to dodge per-client fees. And frankly, it's a massive upgrade for literally any SME currently suffering through spreadsheet chaos. However, it is not recommended for very high-volume hiring operations that absolutely require the most polished, modern candidate experience possible. But for everyone else, the sheer functionality you get per dollar spent is simply exceptional.
So, I want you to take a really close look at your current setup and those recurring monthly software bills. Are you paying thousands of dollars for an ATS subscription you don't actually need? If your hiring volume doesn't justify that kind of crazy expense, or if you're out there pulling your hair out managing candidates in spreadsheets, OpenCATS proves that you really don't have to choose between chaos and cost. The tools are out there, they are incredibly capable, and they are free. So what do you think? How much could your business save by making the switch?